Welcome to the wonderful world of birds. Let's explore the amazing journey of a bird from egg to flight. It all begins with an egg. Birds lay their eggs in nests, carefully built with twigs and leaves to keep them safe. The parent birds take turns keeping the eggs warm, patiently waiting for their babies to hatch. After days of waiting, the eggs start to crack, and tiny chicks emerge, hungry and fragile. The chicks are fed by their parents with worms and insects, growing stronger each day. As the chicks grow feathers, they start flapping their wings, practicing for their first flight. Finally, the big day arrives. With a few flaps, the young birds take to the sky, learning to fly on their own. Just look at how diverse and beautiful birds are. If you loved learning about animals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow ABC Zoo Fun Animal Lessons for more amazing facts about the animal kingdom. See you next time!